Hi and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an adventure, I think, a road trip to the western parts of Norway. So I'm going to be away for about 2 or 3 days and hope to visit some great locations and maybe get some great lights. Tonight is looking really promising. It's forecasted 50 to 60% high clouds, so we'll see if it stays, if it lasts. Right now I'm driving across Hardangervidda, and this is all snow and glacier water that's melting. It looks fantastic, but the light is very harsh. The sun is straight above me here. So if you like to follow this adventure and this road trip to the different locations in Norway, stay tuned. The weather is super nice. It's about 23 degrees, very hot. I was thinking about hiking further up, so I have a clear view over the trees. But I think this spot is nicer. It's much closer to the river, and it's much closer to the location I'm really aiming for when it's later and sunset. So I hope the clouds stays. They're beginning to disappear, but I hope there's more coming from the ocean. So stay tuned for some photography, some later. I think I'm gonna head up, shoot the river first, and then down to the real main subject, which is a huge waterfall. So stay tuned. So I'm scouting up this river. Fantastic nature and landscapes. This side river is running down to the huge waterfall I'm gonna photograph soon. Several small streams come together and make this enormous waterfall. You'll see. got some colors in the clouds. Great. Beautiful. I'm exhausted because I ran from down there up here to get the last light. So there's still a couple of compositions to take, so I have to hurry up. Amazing. Well, I think that's going to be it for this night. The light is fading. It was quite nice. Not maybe the fiery sunset I was hoping for, but I haven't seen many sunset photos with colors in the clouds here, so I think it was nice. Well, I'm gonna head back to the tent. The sun rises 15 minutes past 4, so that's about 3 hours sleep, I think, or I guess 2 hours to be fair. Hello there, I'm ready to go out and see if there's some interesting light. It's hard to say because the weather forecast said blue skies, but it's low clouds and fog everywhere, but there's some colors, so it might get interesting. I'm just waiting for something to happen here. Really not sure. I think it's way too much clouds and fog. Well, it's not every day you got a location like this all by yourself. There's not one single person here besides me. A little bit shame the sunrise didn't kick off properly, but I think this kind of clouds and this light and these blue tones suit these landscapes very well. So I think I'm gonna try and fly my drone a last time, because right now it's wind still. Yesterday I was a bit nervous with a lot of winds and like that going on down in the waterfall, so I was a bit unsure if the drone was gonna be sucked down. Try to have a short nap, but not very easy to sleep in the middle of the day. Oh, lovely with some direct sunlight. It's quite warm. It's been a great night here, I think. About what I had in mind or expected. The weather forecast was not that precise. Actually, windy.com predicted a lot of fog and low clouds, but yr.no, which is the Norwegian weather forecast service, predicted blue skies, clear skies, so a huge difference there. But I think the low clouds and fog is just here by the fjords, because the sea and the fjords is just about 5-6 kilometers that direction, so it might be because of that. So it's quite beautiful and quite good light, even though the clock is now it's 9. So the clouds and helps to get some to bring some atmosphere, even though it's way past the golden hour. But I'm going to pack it up here, begin to go and drive towards the next location. I think I've decided on where that's going to be. So if you like this and want to follow on, stay tuned for part 2. Thanks. And if you like this channel and the content I try to make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, I really appreciate that.